Billy Bob. Yeah, Marvin. Are you ready to do some work? What, on that old Jeep? Yeah, Billy Bob, let's go. Get your tools and get some whiskey.
Good morning, Paul Stevens with my Jeep. This will be number 8. Today is November 25th, 2020, day before Thanksgiving. And my starter came in this morning from Amazon. That's one of the issues I've been working on. After I got my hatch on, my starter went out. So I'm in the process of getting ready to install this starter. And one of the things, when I pull the old starter off, this one right here, I didn't see any shims on it. So, and this new starter didn't come with any shims. So I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to handle that yet. I'll go ahead and install it and see how it operates, and then I'll go from there.
Update for video number 8, preparing to install my starter.
Okay, as you can see, I'm back up underneath the vehicle. I did get the starter on, and I installed it in reverse of the way I took it off. I cleaned up underneath here a little bit because I think I got some leaks. But after I run this thing for a while, I want to get back up under here and check it out. There was a lot of wet oil and stuff. But anyway, there's the starter. One of the things I'm concerned about though, you see that bolt right there? That's the upper bolt. The shorter one, it's got the 15 millimeter head. I didn't like the way it went in. I took it out, checked everything, and I reinstalled 3 times. I reinstalled the starter, and it just, to me, it don't seem like it's completely flush on there. But I didn't have it cross-threaded. It may be bottoming out. I've heard other people on some forums talk about that. But anyway, I've got it installed. I haven't tried it yet. I'm almost afraid to try it. You know. But we're gonna see. And I'll be getting back with you after I attempt to start this thing out. Okay, this is Paul Stevens, my Jeep. I just got through getting the starter off, and it started on the first crank, and I'm happy with that. Out for now. And this is my Jeep number 8 again. Looks like I won't be able to do any more work today. We got some possible rain rolling in, so we're going to button it up. Paul Stevens out for now.
And please watch my son's how-to channel, 78 Stinkin' Leakin'. It's a great channel. Hey, Billy Bob. Yeah, Marvin. What is that thing up there? I don't know, Marvin. It looks awful funny.